Hello everybody, I've got this video tripod, I've got my phone tripod here in this awkward position. I've been trying to move this tripod here and there to help you guys be able to see what I'm doing. I'm not sure if this is going to be interesting to everyone, but I know that I have friends that, really enjoy watching how things are being stitched, and I wanted to share with you guys quickly what I'm making. So I am making this beautiful strawberry ruffle for a dear friend that I want to send a mail to, and all I'm using is some fabric and some crepe paper strip. So this is the beautiful strawberry fabric that I've had for a while. I really love anything to do with strawberry images because I have always loved strawberry shortcake as a kid. And so strawberry images just brings back sweet memories for me. And so all you need is some crepe paper, those party streamers, and then you just need to cut a strip of your fabric. And so I will quickly share with you guys how I go about stitching this. This is not difficult at all, you guys, okay? So what you do is you place the crepe paper and the fabric strip on top like this. Put it under the foot of the sewing machine, and then I'm going to use these two fingers here, my second and third finger. This is going to help me stitch the ruffles lovely like this. It is so easy, you guys, okay? So it's gonna be a little bit noisy, but I'm gonna do it like this. I'm using my two fingers, okay? And this is my left hand finger. Okay, ready? So here we go. I'm just pushing it. See what I'm doing? I'm holding it from here and I'm pushing it under the foot. Like I'm using my two fingertips and pushing it. I'm like pushing it to fold it. Can you see that? That's all I'm doing, you guys. And anybody can do this. And and as the fabric moves to the side, you gotta adjust it, of course. And it does help to hold the bottom part of the strip with your right hand like this. So to keep the fabrics in place like that. And then I just do this. And if you want the ruffles to be more tighter, you just have to do the folding motion more fast, more together. So I'm not doing it so together. I'm stitching a bit and then leaving it. I'm folding it, stitching a bit, leave it, fold again, and I'm stitching. But if you want to more closer, you just have to keep on doing this motion, okay? So I'm going to move my fabric strip again. And when it comes to the end, you just have to add more fabric strip, which I do have already cut, see? So then what you do is you want to overlap that bit. So you got to place it like this. Now you need to use two hands because you want to overlap the fabric, okay? Well, you can still do it with one, two finger like this if you wanted to. Well, I mean, I can because I've been doing it for a while, but for beginners, absolute beginners, you do need to sort of hold down the fabric that you're overlapping to push it under the foot so you can have the continuous motion happening. And like I have mentioned before in my video, this sewing machine is a Janome sewing machine that was my mom's very first sewing machine she got when we lived in America a long time ago. And that means I would have been like, I don't know, 7 years old or 8 years old. So I've got my mom's very first sewing machine. She has a brand new one that she's using right now. This has been mine for several years. And I never really used it well until I really got into paper crafting more. And I really enjoy sewing anything to do with paper. And this is really fun, okay? And you don't have to have that perfection feeling. The ruffles look more interesting when it's not straight. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. So please give this a go if you would like to give a sewing a go. It is really not difficult. Like, I really hope I have inspired some of you to give this a go. I mean, look how pretty it turns out, you guys. I really love this. I am sending these ruffles to a friend. She pretty much has everything crafty, so I wanted to give her something that involved a little bit more of my love. I mean, I make everything with my love and care, but I wanted to give her something that she might not have time to make for. So this is what I'm making for my friend. Bye, everyone.